There he goes. He's going the other way. No, he's coming towards us. Ralph, that's 233 yards away. Yeah, he's looking right at us. You got him down.
Okay.
He's down.
Okay.
Good job, Ralph.
Let's go get him. That's a healthy shot.
You got him down.
Okay.
He's down.
Okay.
Okay. Tell me about your deer hunt, Ralph. Where were you?
Right next to your father.
This is going on YouTube, so you better start talking pretty good.
I shot the deer. Let's go look at it.
All right. Come on, Ralph. Go get up. Get up there. Okay, here we go. We'll get your deer.
Are you filming?
I'm filming.
Want to grab this stuff?
No, we're going to come back and get that. It's no big deal.
Yes, go around to the back.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know what side of the fence it's on.
Yes, on that side of the fence.
Okay. Well, then you might want to go around it.
I don't think we go across there. Yeah, go around the way we came in.
Yeah. Just stop up there in that corner. You're the next YouTube sensation. Yards to that opening. That's about where it was.
I kind of put it on its head. How are we going to get it out?
We can get it.
I wonder if
I'll get
we
it.
take
I'll
a
get it.
four-wheeler around.
Tom and I'll just throw it over. That's a big doe, Ralph. That's a good deer. Dad, do me a favor. Put all that stuff in that bag. Let me turn. We have it. Yeah. And then put that bag in your pocket. Here. Also take my gun if you can.
Okay, I got it.
idea with the head fleet all over the place.
I held on the head, thinking it would hit the neck or chest.
Where's the neck?
Right here, out the neck.
I mean, look at that. You never fell this thing. No, he landed right where he shot it.
Why did I climb the fences? We're gonna...
All right.
Oh, about 400 pounds, I think.
That's a big one.
Huh?
Yeah.
Gotta put the camera down.
Oh, come on, man.